Hey kids, welcome to our little Grizzo TV.
Once upon a time, in the colorful town of Harmonyville, there lived a curious young boy named Timmy. Timmy was known for his love of exploration and his boundless imagination. One day, while wandering through the enchanted forest that bordered the town, Timmy stumbled upon a talking tree named Wisdom Willow. Wisdom Willow, with its wise and ancient voice, shared stories of courage and kindness with Timmy. The tree explained that deep within the heart of the forest, there existed a magical garden where dreams came to life. However, the path to this extraordinary place was not an easy one. Motivated by the promise of discovering the magical garden, Timmy embarked on a journey filled with challenges. Along the way, he encountered the tricky trolls of temptation, who tried to distract him with shortcuts and easy paths. But Timmy, remembering the lessons from Wisdom Willow, chose the harder but honest route. As Timmy continued his journey, he faced the Bridge of Bravery, a shaky and narrow path suspended over a roaring river. Doubt and fear crept into his mind, but he recalled the stories of resilience told by Wisdom Willow. With a deep breath, Timmy took a step forward, courageously crossing the bridge. Upon reaching the heart of the enchanted forest, Timmy discovered the mesmerizing magic garden. It was a place where seeds of determination blossomed into trees of success, and flowers of kindness bloomed in vibrant colors. The garden was tended by creatures of persistence, and every effort made in Harmonyville contributed to its beauty. Wisdom Willow appeared once more, commending Timmy for his determination and courage. The wise tree revealed the moral of the story to the young explorer. In the garden of life, where dreams take root, the seeds you plant with honesty, courage, and kindness will bloom into the most extraordinary flowers of success. Timmy returned to Harmonyville, carrying the lessons from his adventure. He shared the tales of the magic garden with his friends, inspiring them to face challenges with determination and kindness. The children of Harmonyville learned that true success and fulfillment come from nurturing the garden of virtues within themselves. The moral of Timmy's journey echoed through the town, becoming a source of inspiration for all. The children realized that the real magic lay not in shortcuts or easy paths, but in facing challenges with honesty, bravery, and kindness. And so, in the town of Harmonyville, the seeds of these virtues were sown, creating a garden of dreams that flourished for generations to come.